Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the color of Slack. So this is going to become particularly useful for individuals who don't really fancy this purplish border that Slack has by default when you have the Slack application. So be sure to stick around just because this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, and you're going to learn how to change the Slack color. So first what we're going to do is go into our Slack account. Now, when you're on your Slack account, on the bottom left-hand side, you're going to click on your profile image. Next, what you're going to click on here is click on this preferences button. And then from here, you're going to see a series of buttons. Okay, so you see notifications, navigation, home, appearance. Appearance is what you want to click on next. So here's where you could actually change the appearance as far as like light and dark mode goes. I personally like the light mode, but you could also change the Slack theme. So there's a jade, there's a clementine, there's a lagoon. I actually like the clementine, so let's go ahead and keep it like that. What you could also do on this page is that you could actually change the fonts. I personally like the Lotto font that Slack already gives you. But overall, this is the best and easiest way that I found to actually go ahead and change the color of Slack. If you know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. Take care.